Okay, a couple of you have been asking me what the Kaka Parrots sound like. Don't know if you can see it, but there's one sitting up in that tree screeching. There was one calling over that way. Just because I came outside, they decided to stop singing. That whistling is also them. There's some fantails over that way busy tweeting. That whistling's the parrots again. Don't know if you can see that one in there. There is there in the center there. And there's another one over that way. If we just walk through here, there's one up in that gum tree. There's another one up in the old pine tree there. Oh, there's about 3 in that old pine tree up there. Closer to them. Those are the parrots busy yelling at each other. There's a big one up there. He's over there. Like I said, they are the noisy birds. That's the house. There were some tuies in the trees a bit earlier. I'm not seeing them at the moment. They're a blackbird that's got like a little puff of white feathers by their throat. Not seeing the tuies at the moment. Go around. Maybe they're this way. Oh, parrot yelling at us again. That's the Feijoa trees over there. Sure, I saw a tui around. That's one of the parrots flying over. Must have gave him a bit of a fright. He was in the apple tree over there. And, well, those are our parrots. We keep on telling you guys about them, about how noisy they are. It's a cold day, so I got the fire going. Some fantails dancing around over there. And the end.